All right, guys. Hey, check it out. Another video, Fix It Pros. We just finished doing the glass-only repair for this Samsung Note 2. I know it's an older phone, but hey, people still got them. So instead of even the LCD is still like 150 bucks to do the repair. So the customer came in, LCD was working fine. So we had taken off just the top glass of this phone, and we were able to make everything look great again. So take a look at this. We have the Note 2. The LCD and touch was original, and we just took the glass off and we repaired it, and everything's working great. Everything's working. All the buttons working. Just want to go through that real quick. And everything's great. Back buttons working, menu buttons popping. All right, guys, check it out. And so if you like these kind of videos, subscribe to us. Also like us on Facebook, fixitpros.com. Any questions, feel free to give us comments. Tell us what you think. What do you think about this job? Take a look at that. Beautiful Loca. We use Loca glue, not just double tape and glass on top. So that's a real professional job. Take a look at the black screen. It's beautiful. All right, guys, have a great day. Take care.